Multiplying 2-digit number you have seen. Now we will learn multiplying 3-digit numbers. Similarly, multiplying 2-digit numbers you have seen without regrouping and with regrouping. Now for 3-digit numbers also we will learn without regrouping now. I will take one example, children. 310 multiplied by 3. So we should write first place values, ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So first we have to start the multiplication from ones place digit. That is, we have to multiply 3 into 0. Any number multiplied with 0, you will get the answer as 0 only, children. Now after finishing ones place, we have to multiply the number with tens place. Now we have to multiply 3 into 1. Any number multiplied with 1, we get the answer as the number itself. These you learned in properties of multiplication. Now after completing multiplication with tens place digit, we have to do multiplication with hundreds place digit, children. That means you have to multiply 3 and 3 here. That means 3 3s are, 3 1s are is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 930. Now we will see one more example, but without regrouping. Now I will take one example. 4 to 1 multiplied by 2. Here also ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Here we should start our multiplication with ones place digit. 2 ones are 2. And after multiplying ones place digit, we have to multiply with tens place digit. That means 2 and 2. 2 2s are, 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. So 4 is the answer here. After completing multiplication with tens place, we have to do multiplication with hundreds place digit, children. That means you have to multiply 2 and 4. Now 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. So 8 is the answer here. 842. You have to learn the tables properly, children. Then you can easily answer these sums. Okay, children. Now we will see multiplying 3-digit number with regrouping. Shall we see now? Yes. Now we will see with regrouping. Multiplying 3-digit number with regrouping. I will take one example, children. 365 multiplied with 2. So now I will write the place values. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Now we have to start our multiplication from ones place digit. That is, 2 should be multiplied with 5. Now write the 2 table, children. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So if you see here, observe here double number, you got the answer double number. But you can't write 10 as it is here, because you should write here 0 and 1 should go to the carryover to the tens place. With regrouping means you will get the carryover, children. Now after completing multiplying ones place digit, we have to multiply tens place digit. That means we have to multiply 2 6. 2 into 6. 2 6 are how much, children? 2 6 are is 12. Now don't forget to add for the answer 12 this carryover, children. You have to add 12 and 1. That is 12 plus 1 is we are getting 13 now. Can you write directly here 13, children? Because hundreds place is there. So here we can't write directly 13. Write 3 in tens place and 1 should go carry over to the hundreds place. So after completion of tens place digit, after multiplying tens place digit, we have to multiply now hundreds place digit, children. So now 2 should be multiplied with 3. Now 2 3s are how much, children? 6. We know the answer. Now 2 3s are 6. Now don't forget to add carryover. Please add the carryover to the answer. 6 plus 1, 7. So final answer we got 730, children. Shall we see one more example? Yes. So again I will write the place values, ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Here we should add first, we should multiply first ones place digit values. That is, we have to multiply 4 into 4. So we will write the table. 1 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Here also we got double number. We can't write directly the double digit here. 6 in ones place digit and 1 should go carry over to the tens place digit. Now after completing ones place digit, we have to multiply the number with tens place digit. That means 4 into 0. So 4 into 0, you know, no children? 0 is the answer. Now add 0 and carry over. 0 plus 1 is 1. So in answer, we can write directly 1 here. Now after completion of multiplication in tens place digit, now you have to multiply hundreds place digit. That is, you should multiply 4 and 2 here. Now 4 2s are how much, children? 4 2s are 8. So we got the answer here, 816. In this way you have to do the sums in multiplication, children. Now we finish now multiplying 2-digit numbers. So you can easily do the sums in exercise 1.5 and you can do the sums in 1.6, and this is multiplication of 2-digit number with regrouping, this exercise, children. And now multiplying 3-digit numbers, you can also finish exercise 1.7 and 1.7. Here combination of without regrouping and with regrouping sums are there. So please practice the tables, children, and you can easily do the sums.